No, ma'am.
Sure, no problem. Anyone? No problem na beta? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so up till rayon, it is completed. Rayon, in rayon, anyone have any problem? So I
No,
am
ma'am.
asking the question to you.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
No,
If
madam.
you know the answer, you
No,
just
ma'am.
raise your hand. Okay?
No,
If you
ma'am.
know the answer, just raise your hand. Why rayon is called artificial silk? Why? Why rayon is called artificial silk? Just raise your hand. Kevin?
Rayon is called artificial silk because it's made by man.
Anyone else? Not proper answer. Anyone else? Beta? Vinit, yes.
Because of the chemical treatment of wood
Rayon,
pulp.
rayon is obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, so it is, although it is obtained from the natural source, it is a wood pulp. Then also we are called it artificial silk because of the chemical treatment on it. Understood, everyone? Okay, so now,
Yes, madam.
okay, make one Patrina, beta mute. Okay, nylon. The next one is nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material. So in rayon, we have used natural raw material. It is wood pulp. But in nylon, the natural raw material is not used from plant or animal. So from where we are getting any natural material? From plant or from animal. But in rayon, nothing is used. That is, not a single natural material is used. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Rayon is also the synthetic fiber, but in that we are using wood pulp, that is natural source. Okay, but in nylon it is totally synthetic fiber. Why it is synthetic fiber? Because they are without using any natural raw material, nylon is made. Okay, it was prepared from coal, water and air only. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. You have seen nylon that strings which your mother is using to soak the cloth, hang the cloth. Everyone has seen, I think. જોયું છે ને બધાએ નાયલોન ની દોરી જે લગાવે છે મમ્મી કપડા સૂકવે છે એના પર. Okay, so it is very strong compared to cotton thread. You can see cotton thread easily you can cut it. Okay, but nylon not able to cut with your fingers. Okay, તમે નથી cut કરી શકતા. It is strong, elastic. Elastic means flexible, na? When you stretch it, it can be change its shape. Elastic. Okay,
Stretchable.
stretchable, very good. And light also, not too much heavy weight, it is lightweight. It was lustrous and easy to wash. Lustrous, that means shiny, जिसकी surface shiny होती है. Having shiny surface, it is called lustrous and easy to wash. तो એને wash કરવાનું બી બહુ easy છે. Easily you can wash nylon material. Okay, so it became very popular for making clothes. તો nylon ના કપડા હોય compared to cotton cloth. Okay, they are strong and lightweight. Plus, if the cotton cloth is wet, okay, and the nylon cloth is wet, so which cloth will dry up early, nylon or cotton?
Nylon.
Yeah.
Nylon.
Okay, so easily dry up bhi થઈ જાય છે. So cloth બનાવવા માટે બી, clothes બનાવવા માટે બી nylon use થાય છે. We use many articles made from nylon. બધી બહુ ઘરે એટલી ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ છે જે તમે nylon થી બનાવેલી use કરો છો, such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Okay. So socks તો તમે જોયા છે, નાયલોન socks મળે છે બહાર બજારમાં. ઓકે. ropes also, tents જે મોબાઈલ ટેન્ટ્સ જે બને છે, ટેન્ટ નાઇટ હોલ્ડ માટે જે મોસ્ટલી જે કોણ યુઝ કરે બોલો? एकदम लाइट वेट होय.
Adventurers. Adventurers who mountaineers.
Very good. Okay, so they are using tents. Then brushes. તો toothbrush ની ઉપર જે પેલા રેસા છે, it is of nylon. Okay. Then car seat belts also of nylon. You can see car belt કેટલા strong હોય છે ને, elastic હોય છે, strong હોય છે, right? So it is of nylon. Then sleeping bags also. Sleeping bag તમે જોઈ છે કોઈએ જે બહાર આવી રીતે એડવેન્ચર માટે જાય ને, they are using sleeping bags.
Yes.
થઈ જાય બેટા. Okay, આખી fold થઈ જાય અને you can carry it easily. Then curtains also made from nylon, you have seen. Then nylon is, okay, here see here many materials are given made from nylon. You can see easily na, toothbrush, then here rope is there, socks are there, then curtain is there, you can see. Okay. Nylon is also used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Steel na wire karta bhi nylon na thread વધારે strong hoy છે. See how much strong it is. So they are also used for making parachutes. ખબર છે ને parachutes? In figure 3.1 4 it is given. See, the man is holding the parachute, right?
Yes.
And ropes for rock climbing.
Yes.
पर्वत पर चढ़ता હોય બેટા, તો એ rope બી કેવા હોય? Strong હોય. Why they are using strong ropes like nylon? બોલો કેમ આવા strong use કરે?
જેડી નીચે ના પડી જાય એટલે.
Right, કે કટ ના થઈ જાય બેટા, કેમ કે they are using
Because
cotton rope. હા, તો strong હશે તો ગમે તેટલું weight હશે, they can bear. Okay.
We
So
cannot
that's why,
fight.
that's why they are using nylon made ropes. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now one question I want
Yes,
to ask
madam.
you. One question. Parachute શેનાથી બનેલું છે? Nylon. If we are using cotton instead of nylon, then what happens?
Teacher, parachute
Just
ફાટી
one
જશે.
by one, one by one, one by
Then the
one.
parachute will
હવામાં કોઈ પક્ષી
fall
ફાટી
down.
જશે. ફાટી જશે.
Please,
ફાટી
just
જશે.
Cotton ફાટી જશે.
okay.
Madam, I know the answer.
Who is? Just raise your hand.
Aline.
Aline, tell.
Because of cotton has properties of passing air between the threads.
Okay, then what will happen?
Cotton ની અંદર cotton થી હવા આરપાર થઈ શકે છે.
But what will happen
Nylon
because of
થી
that
ના થઈ
property? What will happen?
Teacher,
The person will fall fastly down. એ વહેલો નીચે પડી જશે.
No. Okay. Listen. Cotton material. Okay. So you told right. Easily air can pass through it. Okay. So the reason is it is not too much strong and it will tear it. બરાબર? અને ફાડી નાખશે. If air is passing through the cotton, then because of the too much air force, okay, force, pressure, that cotton cloth will torn. Okay. ફાટી જશે બેટા એ કપડું. Then second thing is,
Yes.
cotton is a good absorber of water. Water absorb કરશે ને, so what will happen? It will become heavy and it is
Yes.
not possible to that person to fly in the air by using the parachute of cotton. Heavy બની જાય તો બેટા કેવી રીતે fly કરી શકે, right? But what happened here? The nylon is not absorbance of water. वो water absorb नहीं करेगा, એટલું બધું water absorb नहीं करे. એના પરથી જે water એના લાગશે બધું નીચે સરકી જશે. It is not absorbance of water. So what will happen? કે water એને touch કરશે તો પણ એ heavy નહીં બને, બધું water સરકી જશે. બરાબર? અને easily fly કરી શકશે parachute જે લઈને ઉડે છે. Understood? બરાબર? So that's why the parachutes are made from nylon. Understood? Okay. Any problem anyone have?
no, ma'am.
Now one more request. One more time. Those who have on their mics, please mute. Okay, very good, fine. So now is nylon fiber really so strong that we can make nylon parachutes and ropes for rock climbing? So the answer is yes. Okay. Now one activity is given here. Take an iron stand with a clamp. Take a cotton thread of about 60 centimeter length. Tie it to the clamp so that it hangs freely from it. It as shown in figure 3.5. You can see one cotton thread is there. Okay. It is, you can see na cotton thread. See here. Okay.
Yes.
This is
Yes.
the iron stand. Very good. Okay. At the free and suspend a pan so that weight can be placed in it. Okay. So here one pan is attached. You can see here. દેખાય છે બેટા અહીંયા pen? Cotton thread na at
Yes,
the one
yes,
end of
ma'am.
the cotton end there is a pen. In that pen you can put some weight. Add weights one by one till the thread breaks. Okay. So what will happen if you add more and more weight? One time it will come that the thread will break down. Why? Because it is not able to bear the weight, and that's why it will break down. Note down the total weight required to break the thread. Now not done. If you have put 1 kg or 500 gram weight and cotton thread is break. Okay, so you note down કે 500 gram weight મૂક્યો અને cotton thread તૂટી ગયો. 200 મૂક્યું, 300 મૂક્યું, ત્યાં સુધી okay હતો. Then જ્યારે તૂટ્યો, note down that weight. This weight indicates the strength of the fiber. So for example, who is there? Who is Shivam? Yes, Shivam, beta, off your mic. Very good. So for example, you have added 200 gram, 250 gram, 300 gram weight, and the cotton thread is not break. But when you add 500 gram or 450 gram, then anyway, the cotton thread is break. So when the cotton thread is break, that is the actual strength of that thread. Okay. Repeat the same activity with threads of wool, polyester, silk, and nylon. Tabulate the data as shown in table 3.2. Arrange the threads in order of their increasing strength. So chalo, सबसे strong कौन सा होगा? Which fiber will become strongest? बोलो in this activity. Write down just in chat box.
Nylon.
In test, please don't on your mic. Just write down in chat box. Okay, then next nylon के बाद क्या होगा? Next is wool, right? Okay, silk, cotton. Cotton is not too much. Cotton is not too much strong. You may use a hook or a nail or on the wall for hanging the fibers and a polythene bag at the other end. In place of weights, you may use marbles or similar size. That means you can do this activity at home also. तो क्या करने का उसमें कोई भी एक thread ले लो. For example, first मैंने cotton का लिया, next time मैंने wool का लिया. On the other end, I have to hang one plastic bag. In that bag, I have to put some pebbles. That is कांकरा मुको या तो marbles मुको. Okay, then I can calculate the actual strength of that thread. Understood, everyone? Now one precaution given here. Note that all threads should be of the same length and almost of the same thickness. So when you do this activity, take same size thread. Same size ના લેવાના અને same thickness ના લેવાના. પછી એવું નહીં હું તો wool ને thread ને 5-6 વખત બરાબર એને કરી દઉં, ગડી વાળી દઉં એટલે જાડું એકદમ wool નું thread થઈ જાય અને પછી એને hang કરું. So it is unfair ના બેટા કે એની અંદર તો ગમે તેટલું તમે વેઇટ કરશો, easily it can wait. Okay, but only one thread, that is એક જ fiber લેવાનું and of the same size. Okay, because if thickness is increased, it is able to take more weight. Understood? Now the next is polyester and acrylic. Okay, in nylon anyone have any problem? Nylon?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
બેટા બધાને nylon? Okay, fine.
No.
Fine. Now next is polyester and acrylic. Polyester is another synthetic fiber. Okay, up till here we have seen three synthetic fiber. First one is rayon, second one is nylon, and this one is polyester. It is also synthetic fiber. Now you can understand why it is synthetic fiber. It is made from synthetic material. Okay, that is chemical. After a chemical reaction we can make it. That's why. So fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinkled easily. Okay, તો પોલિસ્ટર થી જે ફેબ્રિક that is જે કાપડ બને છે, જે કપડું બને છે, it is wrinkle free. That means એની અંદર જલ્દી easily કરચલી પડતી નથી. Okay, it remains crisp and is easy to wash. કે એકદમ ટાઈટ કપડું રહે છે, કરચલી વગરનું ક્રિસ્પ રહે છે, as well as easy to wash. વોશ કરવાનું બી easy છે. Okay, so it is quite suitable for making dress materials. So if we use a shirt of cotton, every day we have to iron it, wash it, iron it, wash કરવું પડે બરાબર, અને એને સુકાતા વાર લાગે, as well as ironing કરીને પહેરવું પડે. If you wear cotton dress or cotton shirt without ironing easily, you can see કે અરે આ તો સીધું ironing વગરનું કરચલી વાળું કરીને આયા છે, right? So in polyester શું થાય છે કે it is wrinkle free and easy to wash. So it is suitable for making dress material. You must have seen people wearing nice polyester shirts and other dressings. જોયા છે ને પોલિસ્ટરના શર્ટ્સ ને એવું આવે છે પહેરીને. It is wrinkle free. Terylene is a popular polyester. Terylene, it is one type of polyester. Poly, that means more than one. આપણે આગળ જોઈએ ને polymer, બરાબર? તો here ester જે ગ્રુપ છે એ more than one time એકબીજા સાથે same એના unit join થાય, it will make polyester. So terylene is one type of polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers. કેનાથી એકદમ પાતળા ઝીણા fibers તમે બનાવી શકો છો terylene માંથી. That can be woven like any other yarn. બરાબર? So yarn જોયું છે ને આખું wool હોય એનું yarn આખું એનું જે તમે બનાવો પિલ્લું છે બનાવો, it is yarn. બરાબર? તો એને આખું yarn તરીકે એને આખું વણી લેવામાં આવે અને then એમાંથી ક્લોથ બને. Understood? That is one type. આપણે રેસા કહીએ છીએ એને, બરાબર? અને એમાંથી પછી ક્લોથ બને એનું. Understood? Polyester, terylene is one type of polyester. Okay?
અરે ના ના રહેવા દો, એવું ના કર.
Any problem anyone is having? My mother always buys PET bottles. PET bottle. ખબર છે ઘરે પડી છે? કોના ઘરે છે PET bottles? બોલો. ક્યાં વાંચ્યું છે? You all have seen that name, PET. ક્યાં વાંચ્યું છે? બોલો. વોટર બોટલ, પછી મમ્મી અમુક વખતે શું લાવે છે? પ્લાસ્ટિક. મમ્મી કઠોળ ભરે છે. હા, એનું ફૂલ ફોર્મ છે પોલીઇથિલિન ટેરીફ્લેલેટ. ઓકે, તમને પૂછવાનું નથી, just for your knowledge, polyethylene terephthalate. Okay, it is a full form of PET. It is good quality, okay, of material. કે એની અંદર તમે વોટર ભરો કે કોઈ અનાજ ભરો તો ખરાબ ના થાય. It is of good quality. Okay, કે અંદર બહુ ભેજ ના લાગે એના માટે PET મમ્મી બોટલ્સ લાવે છે, or PET jars for sorting rice and sugar. I wondered what PET. Okay, now PET, it is given here. તમને અહીંયા આપ્યું છે. PET is a very familiar form of polyester. Polyester નો એક famous form છે. One polyester we went through it. કયું હતું આની પહેલા જોયું એ? Polyester આની પહેલા just now. Terylene. Very good. Terylene. Very good. And now PET. Okay, it is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires and many other useful products. Okay, તો PET માંથી શું શું બને? બોટલ્સ બને, યુટેન્સિલ્સ, બરાબર? Then films. Films એટલે કોને ખબર છે? મૂવી નહીં, હા, એ ફિલ્મ નહીં. પહેલા કેમેરાસ હોતા હતા, યુ નો, કેમેરા. જ્યારે ફોટો ક્લિક કરો ને એટલે ફિલ્મમાં ફોટો આવે, રાઈટ? તો એ આવે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ ફિલ્મ. ઓકે, એ બનાવવા માટે બી PET યુઝ થતું હતું. Then wires and many other products. Look around and make a list of things made of polyester. તો પોલિસ્ટર થી બનેલી ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ તમારા ઘરે હશે, બરાબર? શર્ટ્સ હશે, ડ્રેસ મટીરિયલ હશે, બરાબર? PET બોટલ્સ હશે, જાર્સ હશે, many things you can find. Now polyester, that is poly plus ester. શર્મા દિવ્યા, પ્લીઝ બેટા માઇક ઓફ કર, બહુ ડિસ્ટર્બ થાય છે બેટા. શર્મા દિવ્યા. Josh Gidwani, please off your video, beta. Josh Gidwani. Okay, fine. Polyester, that is poly plus ester, is actually made up of the repeating units of a chemical called an ester. Ester, barabar? Just before 2-3 minutes I have told you, barabar, कि जे ester છે એના same units repeating થયા કરે, it will make polyester. So esters are the chemicals which give fruits their smell. તો એસ્ટર જે છે એની સ્મેલ કેવી આવે? ફ્રૂટ જેવી. ફ્રૂટ માંથી કેવી સ્વીટ સ્મેલ આવે છે, બરાબર? તો ઇટ ઇઝ એ જે સ્મેલ આવે છે, ઇટ ઇઝ બીકોઝ ઓફ એસ્ટર, કેમ કે ફ્રૂટમાં એસ્ટર છે એટલા માટે, બરાબર? ફેબ્રિક્સ આર સોલ્ડ બાય નેમ્સ લાઈક પોલીકોટ, પોલીવુલ, ટેરીકોટ, એટસેટ્રા. એઝ ધ નેમ સજેસ્ટ, ધીસ આર મેડ બાય મિક્સિંગ 2 types of fibers. બરાબર? કે જો બધાના નામ કેવા છે? પોલીકોટ, polywool, okay, terracotta. So it is of combination of two names. Two अलग अलग मटेरियल ने combine કરીને નામ આપવામાં આવે છે. Okay, for example, polycot, that is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polycot, polyester and cotton, it will make polycot. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Understood? Hello, everyone understood? Polycot, polycot,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is polyester and cotton.
Yes, ma'am.
And next one is polywool, it is polyester and wool. Easy na? So see, the two types
Yes,
of
ma'am.
materials are combined with together, okay, combined together and make one material, one fabric. Okay, so we wear sweaters and use shawls or blankets in the winter. તો winter માં તમે સ્વેટર પહેરો છો, બરાબર? Blanket or shawls use કરો છો. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool, though they appear to resemble wool. They are not natural. Divya Sharma, please, you are disturbing too much. Sharma Divya. Okay, so actually જે તમે wool કહો, actually wool ક્યાંથી મળે આપણને? શીપ માંથી. But the wool you are using as a sweater or as a shawl or as a blanket, it is not actually natural wool. Okay, એમાંથી મોટા ભાગનો wool કેવો હોય છે? Resemble wool. That means natural ના હોય. Natural ની અંદર કંઈક chemical mix કરી અને wool જેવી quality બનાવવામાં આવે, બરાબર? These are prepared from another type of synthetic fibers called acrylic. એટલે actually a natural wool નથી, it is a acrylic, બરાબર? It is a chemical. બેટા અહીંયા સ્ક્રીન પર છે ને મને એવું દેખાય કે કોણ લીટા પાડી રહ્યું છે બેટા. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is a resemble wool. These are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. એટલે synthetic fiber છે, it is acrylic, એમાંથી આ wool બનાવવામાં આવે છે. iPad, કોનું નામ છે iPad? Who is there? Start your video, beta. iPad. Where is iPad? પ્લીઝ સ્ક્રીન પર લીટા ના પાડશો બેટા, મને તમારા નામ સાથે અહીંયા દેખાય છે ને, you're disturbing. ઓકે others, તમે બીજાને બી ડિસ્ટર્બ કરો છો એવું કરીને. ઓકે ફાઇન. So the wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive, whereas clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheap. So silk માટે આપણે જે કહું હતું, silk માં જે થયું હતું, રુદ્ર off your video. ઓકે, સિલ્ક માં જે આપણે આર્ટિફિશિયલ સિલ્ક ની વાત કરી હતી, સેમ વે હિયર ઓલ્સો ઇટ ઇઝ ધેર. Natural wool is too much expensive, and instead of using natural wool, acrylic is cheap, very cheap and easily obtained. બરાબર, એ થોડું સસ્તું છે એના કરતા. So they are available in a variety of colors, અને પાછું અલગ અલગ કલરમાં બી અવેલેબલ થાય છે. So easy to get it. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes them more popular than natural fibers. Most important, આખું લાઈન આ અંડરલાઈન કરી લેવાનું તમારી બુકમાં કે synthetic fibers are more durable. Durable એટલે વધારે ચાલે એવા હોય. And affordable, કે easily afford કરી શકો, બહુ મોંઘા ના હોય. Okay, it is cheap. So which makes them more popular than natural fiber. તો અત્યારે natural fiber કરતા બી synthetic fiber more popular છે, because they are more durable as well as more affordable. Cheap પણ છે, જલ્દી મળી જાય, as well as you can find them in many colors as per your choice. Okay, so it is very easy to get them. So that's why they are more popular. Understood everyone? Anyone have any problem until here?
No, ma'am. No,
Very
ma'am.
good. So you have already
No,
performed
ma'am.
an activity of burning natural and synthetic fibers in activity 3.6 in class 7th. What did you observe? When you burn synthetic fibers, you find that their behavior is different from that of the natural fibers. You must have noticed that synthetic fibers melt on heating. This is actually a disadvantage of synthetic fibers. If the clothes catch fire, it can be disastrous. The fabric melts and sticks to the body of the person wearing it. We should therefore not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in the laboratory. Josh Gidwani, please screen પર લીટા ના પાડશો. Josh Gidwani. ઓકે બેટા, તો હવે આપણે નાના નાના છોકરા નથી કે મેડમે આટલી બધી ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપવી પડે. And I can see on the screen who is doing this mischievous things. કોણ આ બધું કરે છે? I can see. અને તમે બીજા બધાને ડિસ્ટર્બ કરો છો બેટા. Don't do this. Okay. So see here, synthetic fibers dangerous છે. શાના માટે? When you are working in the kitchen, remember always use cotton cloth. Cotton clothes પહેરો. If it catch fire, synthetic fibers, okay, they will stick on the body of the person. એ body પર ચિપકી જાય છે, બંધ થઈ જાય માણસ આખો એના પર, અને they will melt easily. Synthetic fiber છે, બહુ easily melt થાય છે. બરાબર? This is the disadvantages of this fiber. Understood? So whenever you are working in laboratory or kitchen, don't use synthetic fiber. શ્લોક તને બેટા અલગથી કહેવાનું તું લીટા ના પાડ. હા, ઓકે. સો અહીંયા એક ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછ્યો છે તમને કે what did you observe in class 7th when you burn synthetic fiber as well as natural fiber? શું ડિફરન્સ હતો એમાં? બોલો. કે કોટન ક્લોથ શું છે, બર્ન થશે આખું, તમે જો, અને સિન્થેટિક ક્લોથ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે પ્લાસ્ટિક બર્ન કરતા હો ને એવી રીતે બર્ન થશે, and it will stick, ચોંટી જશે, right? So always remember, whenever you are working in the kitchen or laboratory, don't use synthetic material. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
ma'am.
આજે આપણે અહીંયા સુધી રાખીએ.
Yes, madam.
In your homework, what you have to do? First of all, I have given you that definitions in last session, right? Definition you have to write. What is synthetic fiber? What is natural fibers? Barabar? Now you have to write all three materials, how polyester or acrylic can be made, how nylon is made, and now how third one is rayon is made. Will you write in your text notebook? બેટા સાયન્સ ની નોટબુક બનાવી છે ને તમે લોકો મને ફોટોઝ મોકલો છો બેટા.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down these things in your notebook. Okay.